Okay, we're on site now. We're doing a gas installation. Just want to show you some few pointers here, what we're looking at and why we're moving things where we is compliant or not. Right, over here we got a gas cylinder. If you look at that picture photo there, everything look compliant there, but we've got a window there that's not compliant. We need a 3 meter space if we underneath a window there. Right, otherwise we can move it 2 meter to the left, then we're away from the window. Then we have to sort this out. I gave the customer another option as well. He took the other one. I'll show you just now. Right, have a look here. Can you see there how it's cracking? Now this pipe is not UV protected. It needs to be sleeved at all times. So that is crucial, that needs to be sorted. Right, we're going to replace all of the piping. We're not going to use this piping. We're going to put new piping in. The geyser is over here. Now the location of the geyser is fine. There's no ventilation and everything. If you look over here, you'll see there's some yellow there. That is a piece of orange hose. It turned yellow already because of the sun. Okay, so we're not connecting. That is not allowed there. Now the ideal position, according to the customer, would have been over there. Unfortunately, we can't place it there because we've got a drain here. We need to be 2 meters away from a drain. So what we're going to do is we're going to place it over here, and then from there we're going to run our lines and connect everything. Just interesting to keep in mind, we can't just place gas wherever we feel it should be. It needs to be compliant with the regulations.